Their backline is on west. Their backline
Scouted
is
tayo
on
ng
west.
Pokpok ha.
Mecha line is on west. Keep pushing west. Keep pushing west.
DJ Pokpok zone din ang papunta na sa atin.
Spread here. Ready. Ready din mo na. Ready. The engage defense. Giga.
Ay,
What
God.
the fuck? You got deleted.
Wala,
We're gonna engage in Isa. We're gonna engage in East in 5, in 4, 3, in 2, in 1. It's big. Drop it on me. Now brawl East. Straight to their backline. Wala pang engage yan. 5 seconds pa next engage. 5 seconds. Engage yan. Keep kiting northwest. Kite northwest. Mag-engage na yan ha. He gonna look. Look at Ginef. Ha. Look, come west. We're gonna counter. We're gonna engage southeast. Walk southeast now. Southeast in 5, southeast in 4, southeast in 3, southeast in 2, southeast in 1, southeast on me. That's big, that's massive. Where's my DPS?
Hold.
Go northwest. We're gonna get sandwiched. Go northwest, guys. Regear and come back. Come northwest. I need eyes on Papaya. Where's Papaya? Where's CCTV? Give me eyes.
Southeast mo, Toy Boy, southeast. One screen away. Downhill.
Okay.
Fighting sila.
Northeast.
Kamis.
Toy Boy.
We're gonna engage in east in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. It's big. Wipe this shit. Nice shit. Now go north.
Tingin sa backline ha. Laban ng Pokpok.
Alis kayo, lumayo kayo sa wall. Get away from the wall. Keep going no west wall.
Papaya na to, papaya na to. Hard south to, papaya.
Sige lang. Keep going north. Ikot tayo. Where's Papaya? Ping.
Hard south.
Kamis.
This is the front.
Appeal. Where's their backline? Okay. Come here. Mount if you're late. Okay, hold this. Go on my north. Hold this. Tell me to engage.
Wala silang cooldown.
Engage this south. 5, in 4, in 3, 2, in 1. On the choke. Drop it on the choke. Move! Go back northwest. Detach from the choke. 13 seconds. Stabilize, guys. 13 seconds. Southeast. 13 seconds. Southeast. Walk southeast. Nag-engage na. Southeast. East. Pop boots now. East in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Delete this shit. Delete this. Now brawl this. Yung mana iwan. Yun lang putol. Brawl this, guys. Brawl this. Now wait. Hold here. Hold southwest. Wait. Cool down. Sige.
Pwede tayo sa wall.
Southeast. No. Get away from the wall. Never engage from the wall. We're gonna engage in south. Keep walking south. We're gonna engage in southwest. Paputs, I'm waiting for you guys. Southwest in 5, southwest in 4, southwest in 3, southwest in 2, southwest in 1. Engage on me. Delete this. Kill the W. Exhibit, guys. Defense. Demon. Regear and come back. We're gonna face northeast. Defense. Keep going northeast. Lumayo kayo. Northeast. Now hug wall east. Head K-Cuts. Wait, stabilize first. Stabilize. Hold lang, guys. Hold. Where's their backline? Guys, help me. Give me info. Ilan pa tayo? Makadelete pa ba? How many DPS we have? We still have 5. We're lacking. Wala na yun. Wait. Come northeast. Ditak, mount muna.
Wala. Di na makascout. Patay na ako.
Full party pa yung party to.
Ilan ditak dyan? Follow ground.
Apat.
Follow ground. Look at me.
Fighting pa to.
Sige lang.
CCTV level.
DPS mo, meron ka ba yung DPS sa party 1?
I need D-tanks.
Level 8 papaya.
Hindi nga, I mean, may DPS ka.
Oh, lima yung DPS.
Harap namin DPS.
Okay, good. Sige, may DPS din kami isa.
D-tank men.
Ano?
Kailangan ko D-tank, hindi DPS.
Meron kami ditang.
How
Tatlo
many?
kami rito ditang. 3, 4.
Hindi.
Pagka quest.
Kulang ditang bo, kulang ditang. Looter yung isa. Oats yung
Looter.
Looter base ka?
Kamis. Ano ba? Info!
Pa yung
Putang
pala
ina!
dalawa.
Naging
Kamis.
gitna, nawawipe ko tayo, nawawipe ko tayo.
Oh, we don't have ditang, we don't
Oh,
have ditang.
wipe west pa now, west now. Putang ina.
Running na sila.
Bye-bye mo
DTV
nyo.
na lang.
West. We're gonna engage at west. We're gonna engage at
Meron
west.
na dito
On CCTV
CCTV,
on 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. On CCTV. On CCTV.
Demon.
On CCTV. Get ready, Demon. Get ready, Demon now. Get ready, Demon. Get ready, Demon, ha? Get ready. Keep going east. Keep going east. East. Now go west. Trust me, guys. Go west. Look at me. Go west. Pop giga if you have to. Keep going northwest. Down the choke. D-tank. No D-tank. 2 seconds. We're gonna engage in southeast in 2 seconds. We're gonna engage southeast. Walk to their backline. Southeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the backline here. Backline on me. Nice delete.
Demon now.
Keep going east. Demon now. Demon. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. He looking spread. Cleric. Nice one. Keep going south. We're gonna fucking kill Jinif. Fuck him. Come on. Come west, guys. South. Follow ground. 3 seconds. We're gonna engage. 3 seconds on northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Drop it on me. Keep going northeast. North, guys. North of the ground. Chill. North of ground.
Demon.
Giga. Walk south. Wala na. Puro healer na lang to. May isa pa. Come on. South in 5. South in 4. South in 3. South in 2. South in 1. Shallow on me. Shallow only. Shallow. Na spread. Get out. Get out. Spread kayo. Get out. Tagal. Ulang.
Yan, takbo na. Takbo na. Sige, hold nyo sila.
Tayo dito ah.
BJ, gago na pa, amatay na.
Di ba?
wait. Tayo, takbo na eh.
Dami pa DPS.
DPS, man. Meron pa?
Takbo na, BJ.
Recruit me kung kaya.
Ping. Saan ka?
Takbo na, BJ.
I'm here.
Ayun, hold ko sila, hold ko.
Boy, man.
Hold ko. Takbo, hold ko.
One
Ayun, tagay ko na doon.
here.
Putang dami ko yun.
Patayin yung Kitox.
Ayun,
Ano ba yan ah?
hold ko na.
Patap.
Sige, sayang na sila natin yung lahat. Galit sila.
Ninja.
Get out. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Goodbye.
Run.
Galit sila.
How many do you have? Still have DA?
Tagay ko hinod.
DPS and
1 DPS
Still
and
up.
1 tank here.
Still up. How many DPS?
You still have 5 DPS. 6 DPS.
They're catching.
Okay. Kamis. Ilan yan? Ilan pa yan?